going to learn how to harvest carrots. This is my favorite thing to harvest because it's like a surprise every time. So these are our carrots here, these fluffy little leaves. And you're gonna be able to tell when they're ready to harvest that the leaves are gonna get pretty large and fluffy. And then you're just gonna dig away a little bit of the soil until you can feel the top of the carrot. Ooh, it feels pretty good. And then you're gonna grab right where the leaves and the root connect. And you're just gonna wiggle it right out. Should come out fairly easy. Yay! This one's a little short. I probably could have left it another week, but I was excited to do this video. So, these carrots are orange, like most of the carrots you find in the supermarket. But did you know that there's actually lots of different colors of carrots? There's purple, white, yellow, red. Some of them are even purple on the outside and yellow on the inside. And they all have different flavors and sweetnesses. You can also eat the tops of the carrots. They are super high in vitamin C and they have a really fun flavor. They could go in a smoothie or you could put it in a salad. It kind of has a flavor like the actual carrot. Yum, yum. Oh, yes, very good. So I'm gonna go wash this little baby off and I'm gonna eat it for lunch. Yum! So happy carrot planting and happy holidays, and I will see you all in the new year.